Think about it. Do you know your current security posture on-premise and in cloud? Is your organization compliant with data security regulations? Are your on-premise and in-cloud security tools properly configured? Are you implementing least privilege access across your on-prem and cloud deployments? You think you should be able to easily answer these questions, don't you? Well, if you have just recently completed a comprehensive security assessment, you may be able to answer some of the questions. But as soon as the assessment is over, it quickly becomes obsolete due to changes in your deployment. With Cyber Observer Continuous Controls Monitoring and Cloud Security Posture Management solutions, you can answer security and compliance questions at any time. The platform seamlessly integrates dozens of on-premise and in-cloud popular cybersecurity tools into a single intuitive interface that enables organizations to continuously monitor their security tools and improve their security posture in alignment with major frameworks, regulations, and standards. Cyber Observer provides continuous situational awareness of your entire on-prem and cloud deployments. The platform offers 4 monitoring views. The Continuous Tools Status View provides indicators to on-premise cybersecurity tools, cloud services, and cloud platforms that may be misconfigured, malfunctioning, or lacking. The Continuous Cybersecurity Posture Views identify security gaps and provide recommendations for improvement, creating unlimited views based on industry best practice, standards, the user's responsibilities and needs. Create views based on the organization's critical assets like SWIFT and many others. The Ongoing Security Program Views and Continuous Compliance with Standards Views allow you to view what your on-prem and cloud deployments are missing based on industry best practices. Cyber Observer helps you comply with international standards such as NIST, ISO 27001, PCI DSS, and more by continuously retrieving technical data from various security tools. And finally, the Behavioral Deviation Alerts continuously monitor the deployment, the security findings, and alerts when there is a deviation from normal behavior. Based on all this security information, Cyber Observer offers comprehensive reports that allows CISO, risk officers, SOC managers, IT infrastructure managers, and IT team leaders, board members, executives, auditors, and other stakeholders to quickly gain visibility on the security posture and compliance levels at any given moment, while understanding which measures should be taken to improve security. Cyber Observer, continuous controls monitoring and cloud security posture management for end-to-end cybersecurity visibility on-premise and in cloud.